Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm so excited to be unboxing the latest from IPSY. And I got this cute little bag with little smooches on there. I think this is like an older bag from their Valentine collection. I'm not sure, but it's nice to see it. It came in the box, and I'm just going to dive in what I got here. I tried to record this video before, and the video just went wonky, so I'm going to try again with this. Let's jump into this video. The first thing I have here is from Glow Recipe, and this is their Watermelon Glow Dew Shield. It has a niacinamide with an SPF of 30. I'm assuming it's skincare. Lovely. I'll just take a look here. And I'll put more information somewhere around here. It has that watermelon smell that I do love from Glow Recipe. The one I had prior was the one in the jar, the glass jar. Loved it. It provided, it retained the moisture, and it has a light watermelon smell. Perfect for the summer. Reminds me of the beach, warm weather, so that's great. The next thing I got here is from Dew of the Gods, and this is their Maui Glaze, and this is their Dragon Fruit Oil Facial Cleanser. And this is the container. Well, not the container, it's the box. And this is the actual container. Really cute. Love the colors. Very, very happy. Very neon. Just be careful when you pump it because it will spurt everywhere. Just really see that? Like, it's oil, so be careful. And this has kind of the smell of passion fruit, yeah. I haven't really used a lot of oil cleansers simply because I have an oily T-zone. And I'm always worried that I might break out. But who knows, maybe I'll try it today. It says it's a glaze, and it does give a nice glow to my skin. The next thing I got here, if I can see it, is from Lucky Chick, and this is their I Love You, meaning eyes. And it was a 3 eye makeup brush set, which I love. I'm always about makeup tools. Gotta love the makeup tools. The next thing I got here, which I'm really excited about, is this bronzer palette from it's called Hot Commodity. And you see the set that's there. And it's called the bronzer palette from Pinky Bee Beauty. I'll show you the colors here really quick. I decided that I was going to use these on my eyelids, which you see there, right? Beautiful. And I use my new brushes there with this. It does come with a mirror, but I'm not going to take that out just yet. There is kickback, but it feels really smooth. It doesn't feel chalky, and it blends easily and nicely. So I love that. And the packaging kind of reminds me a little of another brand that we know of, but I'm really liking this. Put that there. I'm trying to figure out what else I got from. Oh, yes. Last but certainly not least, another skin-focused brand just in time for this weather. And this is from L'Oreal. I believe I got this before. I'm not sure. But I have some kind of a false memory that tells me I may have. And this is their vitamin C drops, which is perfect. And this carries, it's a vitamin C complex. So again, I'm all about taking care of the skin. I am a recent convert to the vitamin C simply for skincare. I apply it either at night or right before I go out, just because I want to keep the glow to my skin and to help brighten any dark spots that I may get or shadows on my skin. I did show here, this is actually pretty light, but I did show the color payoff on here is pretty darn nice. Just gonna clean my hand right there, a towel, and I'm just gonna do this so you can see real quick. Nice. Again, comes off very easy. Let's see if I can do this again. I don't know if I could do this right on camera, but we'll try. I think I did this one here, 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 and here. Isn't that gorgeous? Color payoff is amazing. Very easy to work with, not a problem at all. Again, I love this little bag, which is perfect, especially when you go out of town and you don't want to carry an extra purse or an extra whatever bag to fill your makeup in. You're just going to throw in some brushes and some skincare. This is the thing. Interestingly, I didn't get any lip product, so I just went in with my lips to finish it off with something that I got from let's see, what brand is this? This is CoverGirl's Jelly Water Tint, which I believe I featured on this channel before, just to complete the look. What do you think? I am loving this skincare concentrated selection. What do I wish I had gotten? Something for the lips and something for the hair, because it would have been nice to get something to condition my hair, as well as something to protect my lips. But I am truly loving what I received. Let me know in the comments below, are you an hipster? Let me know in the comments below what you got in your most recent IPSY box. I'm happy, just the fact that it's very skincare focused, especially for this weather. We're in the middle of July in New York City, and it is a steamer. So I'm really excited to try all these products out and incorporate them in my skincare routine. I hope you are doing well and that you're staying safe and that you're staying cool and that you're staying hydrated. That is my video for IPSY. Again, this is not sponsored. This is not an ad. I am just a fan. Let me know your thoughts and comments regarding IPSY in the comments below if you can. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup unboxing, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.